Hi there. A pediatric neurologist, he or she is one of the most important expert witnesses we will need in a birth injury lawsuit. Here's why. A pediatric neurologist does two things. First, he will prove liability, and second, he will prove damages. Let's start with liability. What a pediatric neurologist will do is evaluate any radiology films that were conducted after the baby was born. Ultrasounds, MRIs, sometimes even CT scans. And what the doctor will be able to prove is exactly the injury to the brain itself and what caused it. It might have been an acute, very quick oxygen deprivation during labor and delivery. It could have been a prolonged oxygen deprivation over the span of the pregnancy. Regardless, these MRIs and other radiological findings help a pediatric neurologist time the exact incident and when the negligence occurred. The second thing a pediatric neurologist does is provide us testimony about damages. What kind of injury does the client have? How severe is it? And what is the permanency of the injuries the client suffered from? The pediatric neurologist will be able to evaluate and compare our client to other patients he or she has evaluated and treated in the past and be able to give the jury a bit of more context as to exactly how the plaintiff stacks up. Is the injury severe? What are we expecting for the rest of this plaintiff's life? So on and so forth. If you have questions about how a pediatric neurologist can help or break your case, then please give me a call and speak to me about it. My name is Adam Funk. I'm a birth injury lawyer, and any call that we have is free of charge.